Yeah, peoples, man. I'm in Belgium, in the country of Belgium. I'm in this train. I'm in the park called liege Guillemens.
Voie 3A,
Guillems.
Eurostar à destination de Paris Nord de 13h51 partira de la
Yeah,
voie
peoples. Yeah,
3A.
look at the ice train.
Eurostar naar Paris Nord.
This train is like the Amtrak, equivalent to Amtrak in the States. This train go all over the country and international.
13:51 Uhr wird abfahren von Gleis 3A. Track 3A, the 151 Eurostar to Paris Nord.
I'm headed to the country of Luxembourg on the international train. Luxembourg City, Luxembourg. Quick look at the train right there. I just got off this train. I had to, you gotta connect. Look at that, peoples, yeah. What it is.